one English sound that all students fear and find difficult to pronounce. Is it really that hard? Yes and no. Let's find out. Hi, I'm Damien, the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you get better in pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand you. And in this episode, we're focusing on the two sounds th and the. There is a difference, but it's not that important. Keep watching to find out why. What you will learn though is extremely dangerous for your tongue. You might actually end up biting it off. You were warned. Okay, before we look at th and the, it's important to see where they sit in the big picture of the whole phonemic chart, or what I like to call the map of the mouth. This beautiful chart designed by Adrian Underhill shows you what to do with your nose, lips, teeth, tongue, roof of the mouth, voice box, and jaw. Number 1, lips, which spread and move back, or round and move forward. Number 2, tongue, which moves forward and back and also curls. Number 3, jaw, which moves up and down, changing the size of the space inside your mouth. And number 4, voice, turning the vocal cords on and off to make voiced or unvoiced sounds. The line of the chart we are focusing on today are called fricatives. Think friction, two things rubbing up against each other. You direct air through your mouth, creating friction with your tongue, teeth, and lips. This line of the chart runs from the front of your mouth to the back of your mouth. For f and v, teeth on lips creates the friction. After that, f and the, tongue on teeth. And next, s and z, it's your tongue getting really close to that gummy ridge behind your two front teeth that creates the friction. And finally, sh and zh is once again your tongue very close to the roof of your mouth that creates the friction. A really good way to find is to take a journey through some other sounds, because on the chart, all the sounds are interconnected. Let's try two different journeys. Journey 1. In the last episode, we explored, which you can watch here. Do you remember what we used to produce? That's right, it's your teeth on your bottom lip. While you're making the sound, what's your tongue doing? That's right, nothing. Okay, let's start the journey with, and then slowly bring your tongue forward to replace your bottom lip. Are you ready? Let's try it again. Now you've found pretty magic, right? Cool. So your tongue is now touching your two top teeth, and the air is rushing between those points, creating friction. Have a look at this.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
If you're still having trouble finding, let's look at it from a different direction. This time, take a deep breath and make the sound. Now slowly slide the tip of your tongue so you're in the s position, just behind that ridge of gum above your two front teeth. Let's try it. Can you hear that sound change? Now we're only one stop away from. Let's start again at. Once again, you keep rolling your tongue forward until it's touching the bottom of your 2 front teeth. Let's try it one more time, going forwards and then backwards. Are you ready? Pretty cool, right? The sound is not so scary now, is it? Now to get the, it's simply turning on your voice box. And like in the last sound we used to find, for this sound we can use to find. Let's try it. Easy, right? Have a look inside.
Other. Other. Other.
Exaggeration is a good way to practice. It's doing the sound in a lot stronger or over the top way. So, for example, bite down really hard on your tongue. And then bring it back to normal. Also, it's not a big deal if you confuse with the. The 2 sounds are really similar, so it doesn't usually impact meaning. So for example, though, though. Could you tell the difference? Remember, if you're enjoying this video, it's really helpful to me and the channel if you sledgehammer that like button. On to the rest of the video. Practice, practice, practice. Remember, pronunciation isn't in your brain, it's a physical sport. You need to start moving those facial muscles. To help with this, in each episode we have a 2-step practice routine. Minimal pairs and tongue twisters. Okay, repeat after me and then try it yourself. 3, 3. First, thirst. Thin, thin. Day, they. Doze, those. Tongue twisters are good exercises for your mouth. They give you lots of practice in moving between different positions or sounds. So let's do tongue twisters. I'll do it slowly, then quickly, and you repeat. Aunt Beth has thick cheeks, thin lips, 3 teeth, and a thin mouth. Aunt Beth has thick cheeks, thin lips, 3 teeth, and a thin mouth. Whether the weather is cold, whether the weather is hot, well, whether the weather, whatever the weather. Whether the weather is cold, whether the weather is hot, we'll weather the weather, whatever the weather. So there you have it. The versus the. If you haven't already, sledgehammer that subscribe button to continue on this language learning journey with me. Remember, practice and making mistakes are an important part of the learning process. So do lots of pronunciation practice. And the best way to do this is either stand in front of a mirror or film yourself. So get started. That's it for this episode. And I hope now you're a little less scared of and start taking your English mask off today. See you later.